Hello friends, this is Kusumakar. Welcome to the series of C programming. So today in this chapter we will learn about the multiple if conditions. So these are the multiple if conditions. First if, then second if, and then third if. Right? So we will see how to use and where to use this multiple if condition in the program. So to understand this, we will take a program or we will write a program, and by the help of that program we will understand that how and where to use these multiple if condition in the program. So the program is find out the largest number among three given numbers. So user will enter three numbers and we need to check which is the largest one, right? So to find out, let me tell you the logic first, then I will explain how to use this multiple if condition and how these multiple if checks can achieve the this logic. Means how we can achieve or we can find out the largest one number, right? So let me tell you the logic first, then we will see that logic implementation in the program. So the logic here is we will take three variables a, b and c, and we will assign some values to a and b and c. This is just an example. I have assigned 1, 2 and 3 to a, b, c, and we will take the another variable which is max, so we will assign the 0 value to max, right? So to find out which is the largest one, what we will do, we will just check every number with the max one, and whichever number is greater than max, max will become that number. So let's say a is greater than max, then max will become a is 1. Then we will compare b with max. If b is greater than max, then max will become b is 2. Then we will compare c with max. If c is greater than max, then max will become c, right? So we are independently checking each number with the max. Whichever number is greater than max, then max will become that number, right? So this is the logic. So let's say if a is 5 and b is 4 and c is 3. So in this case a is the largest one. So what will happen in this case? A is greater than max, yes, so max is become 5, means max is, so a is greater than max, then max is a. So here 5 was greater than 0, so max is become 5. Now b is greater than max, no, 4 is not greater than 5. C is greater than max, no, so in this case max is 5. Let's say b is max now. Let's say b is 9. Then what will happen? A is greater than max. Let's say initially max is 0. So a is greater than max. Yes, max is 5. B is greater than max. Yes, 9 is greater than 5. So max is b. So max is 9. Then c is greater than max. No. C 3 is not greater than 9. So max will still 9, right? So max will assign with that number only when that number is greater than max, right? So this is the logic. So we are independently checking each number with the max, and max will become that number if that number is greater than max, right? So this is the logic and we will achieve it, and with the help of program, let's say this is the program where we have declared three variables a, b and c, and we have used one more variable max for which I have assigned the 0 value, right? Then I'm printing enter the three numbers to the user, right? So here I am asking user to enter three numbers. With the scanf function, I will input A, B and C. So once A and B and C will have some value, then what we will do, we will compare each number with max, and if that number is greater than max, then max will become that number. See how we will do it. If A is greater than max, right, so max will become A. If B is greater than max, then max will become B. If C is greater than max, then max will become C. And at last we will print largest number is max, right? So you can see how we have used the logic with multiple if. So each if condition will be executed whether its earlier if condition is pass or fail. So we are independently checking each number with the max. So to do independent checks, you should use multiple if conditions, right? So let me run it now. Okay, let me correct it with this. Okay, this is pass. Now let me run it. So it is asking to enter the three numbers. So first I will make C is the largest one. So A is 1, then B is 2, C is 3. So largest number is 3, right? Then I will make B is the largest one. So 2, 3, 1. So here the second number is the largest one. So the largest number is 3. Now if I make A is the largest one, let's say 50, sorry, let's say A is 55 or yep 55, C is 40, B is 44, C is 33. Then here A is the largest one, so largest number is 55, right? So I have already explained you the logic that whichever number is greater than max, max will become that number, right? So we are doing independent check. So here we are doing independent check with every variable, and we are checking that number is max, greater than max, then compiler will assign that number to max. Otherwise, if that is fail, then compiler will just go to another if, the next if condition. If that condition is passed, then the second number will be assigned to max, right? So if it is fail or pass, the compiler will go to third if condition, right? So that means all if condition will be implemented whether its previous or next is pass or fail. All the checks will be done, right? So this is all about how to find out the largest number among three numbers. So you can use this logic for 4 numbers, for 5 numbers. So if there are 5 numbers, then you should use 5 conditions, right? So this logic I'm just using it just for explaining where to use the multiple if condition, right? So if you have any query, then put down your query in the below comments, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next chapter. Till then, bye bye.